So this next individual and subscriber that I wanted to put this in for is kind of along the lines of having an inclusive environment to say what you want to say, to have open-ended questions about anything fitness related. So this individual, this subscriber, really enjoys my videos. Thank you, I appreciate you. I really have no one to ask about this. I learn from every video. And this was kind of the culmination of the purpose of the channel. I realized that in my talking to seniors and individuals with disabilities and just beginners, that they have so many questions about little things in the gym that there's not any resources online for. Like, do you need to take a water bottle to the gym? What should I do if I don't like drinking water at the gym? Should I always bring headphones to the gym? Like, just little things like this, or just almost like a beginner fitness for dummies type of thing. You're of course not dummies, I love all of you, but there's so many questions that I know I had when I first started out as a beginner in the gym, and it would have been nice to have these resources where literally anyone can answer or ask any question, and I can give my best answer based off of my 10 plus years of fitness experience in coaching people. So again, if you do have any questions, you're just starting out, I'd love you to go check out my channel. I have so many inclusive fitness videos. Otherwise, you can leave it in the comment down below. I will greatly love to check those out for you, and appreciate you very much.